Honey, it is the finds for me at the Dollar Tree. Honey, I just came in here to record 1, 2, 3. Look at this. Oh, looky to the cookie. Now, you watching your cholesterol. You want to eat healthier. You looking for a snack. Honey, that's not going to give you the big bag. Check this out. When I tell you I got some goodies, girls, I got some goodies. I got some goodies to show you. Now, let me tell you. Go get a crayon, a pencil, your eyeliner to write these items down because I'm about to deliver. And that's word to the mother and the brother. Let's get into it and do it. New at the tree. Ooh, child, did you happen to see the velvet body butter at the tree? I didn't know Dollar Tree was doing it like this. Do you hear that? Oh, yes, honey, flowy, glowy. Did you happen to see the new finds at the Dollar Tree? Honey, I'm talking about all beauty finds. Move your feet to the beat. I'm talking about the new snack finds. Oh, honey, movie to the groovy. You looking for 4 finds? Oh, honey, this is it. This whore is going to have you move your feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. Get into it and do it. Oh, reminds me of drugstore candy. Sure, did you used to go to the drugstore like for your grandmama back in the day, your mama back in the day? Definitely put me in the mind of that.
Jolly Ranchers.
Oh Lord, you trying to eat them all. Honey, movie groovy. This is a name brand candy peelers. And is watermelon flavored. I'm excited about this. Movie groovy. Tastes just like watermelon. I like the soft part that they have in the peelers. It's good.
It's a banana, like a banana. That's the sweet part.
You like a juice? I like the soft part. They have a soft part in here. It is so soft, it's good. All right, the next snack we have, this is the seasoned butter braid pretzels. We're going to get this to go like gel. Oh, it smelled to me like Parmesan and like a bunch of butter.
It's like cheese and crackers.
I'm not a pretzel type of girly like that. When they said butter, they ain't come here to play. I'm just saying. I need to take it away. Honey, these taste delish. Right, the next snack we have is the Jolly Ranchers Hard Candy Tropical Fruit Punch, Golden Pineapple, Lime, and Mango. You excited about this one? She's still on the peelers. So this one I have is the mango. This puts me in the mind of my grandmother. My uncle would buy like my grandmother like Jolly Ranchers, and she would have like a bunch of Jolly Ranchers like on her end table. And whenever you go to visit her, she would always ask like, you want some Jolly Ranchers, you want some candy? And we would pull them, you know, get the Jolly Ranchers and stuff. This reminds me of that. Okay, you know, just a regular Jolly Rancher mango. I like the mango flavor. It definitely puts me in the mind of a drink, a mango drink. Which one? You want to pick yours? Let them know.
I got the mango flavor and the flavor.
Mango. Now, we also have the watermelon. Now, I did put the mango Jolly Rancher to the side so I could try to make. Ooh, reminds me a drugstore candy. Oh, child. Did you used to go to the drugstore like for your grandmama back in the day, your mama back in the day? Definitely put me in the mind of that Looky Cookie. Now, when you taste the watermelon, to me you can taste it, but it's not overly sweet. It is not one of those candies that is like really sweet. This is very mild. You taste the watermelon somewhat. And when they said old-fashioned candy, oh honey, they wasn't playing about that. But it definitely put me in the mind of the drugstore. Look at the inside. Look, these candies. Amani think I'm talking about something like bad because I said the drugstore. She keeps saying the drugstore.
There's some bad people up in there.
How you like these, Amani?
Yeah.
You like these a lot?
I think that tastes like watermelon.
Yeah, it is watermelon flavor. What was your favorite snack out of all of them? Which one you like the most? Mine definitely is going to be these, the Jolly Ranchers, the gummies, the 2-in-1 gummies, and also these pretzels. Oh my goodness, these pretzels was bomb.com. Which one you like?
I'm gonna take this one, the Jolly Gummy, and the pretzel.
The pretzels too?
The watermelon.
Oh, the peelers. So Amani liked these two better. The peelers and the Jolly Rancher 2-in-1 gummies. Amani, we gotta save some for Javon.
Okay.
Honey, I'm just walking on sunshine out in these Dollar Tree streets. I'm talking about all good things. 1, 2, 3, move your feet to the beat, Linda. Now, Dollar Tree has these hand creams, but honey, you could attach these to your book bag, to your pocketbook. Move your feet to the beat. 1, 2, 3 out in these streets. Check this out. So you looking for some hand creams? Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. They have the coconut cream. Now this is non-greasy, fast absorption, long-lasting hydration, nourishing, skin-loving ingredients. Whoa, whoa, honey, won't he do it? Now they also have the pistachio dream one as well. Love this. You know what it is? You know, the green don't miss. You know, green is my thing, like a chicken wing. Now Dollar Tree also has this one as well. This is the sugar violet. Oh, honey. I mean, movie to the darn groove. So you want your teeth to be white. When you smile, you want the people to see. Okay? I mean, you want your teeth to glow up in the dark. That's how white you want your teeth. Well, honey, Dollar Tree has the Evo, the teeth whitening pen, $1.25 for the 1. I tell you, Dollar Tree ain't come here to play 1, 2, 3. Oh my, it's the fancy panties for me. You hear this? This is a glass facial, honey, cleaner. Check this out. All right, honey, it is the goal for me that wants all the tea. Now, this is Infinite Beauty Daily Reset Gentle Facial Cleanser and Makeup Remover. Honey, give it up. 1, 2, 3. Now, Dollar Tree also have these jelly eye masks. These are $1.25. They have rose. Now, I absolutely love rose. They also have algae extract, okay? Now, this one, it has things in here like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera extract. Honey, 1, 2, 3. Now, this one also has the same exact ingredients except for it has the rose extract. Absolutely love it. Now, if you have dark spots of any sort, the niacinamide, honey, is a game changer. Now, these are cruelty-free, paraben-free, and the brand is called Splash, not from the past. Honey, when I look at this, so Dollar Tree has the bergamot and amberwood, velvet and bloom body butter. Ooh, child, they just being all types of fancy up in here. And groove it. Now they also have this one. Now this is a all-in-one eye serum, brightens, firms, and depuffs. Nature Love. Ooh, child. Honey, when I tell you these finds at the tree, 1, 2, 3. Did you guys happen to see these? Now, this is a 2-pack lip balm and moisturizer for your lips. Honey, it is the deal steals for me at the Dollar Tree. $1.25. 1, 2, 3. Now, this is Vacation Wish. Oh my, looky to the cookie. So I heard that you guys was looking for a fragrance, okay? Now, Dollar Tree has these Vital Finds at this Dollar Tree location. 1, 2, 3. Check it out. So it is the fragrance for me body mist. 1, 2, 3. Now, Dollar Tree has different scents. They have the Valica vibes. They also have this one, Marbella, Honey, 1, 2, 3, Grande Groove. Honey, don't just move, you gotta groove. And then they also have a Rhonda. Oh my, looky to the cookie. I mean, it keeps getting better and better and better, no matter what the weather. Now, Dollar Tree has this magnesium mineral spray. This is great for post workouts, fast absorbing and fast drying. Honey, 1, 2, 3 for the Dollar Tree. Now, $1.25. Oh, honey, I got you covered. Now, if you gorgeous folks are looking for petroleum jelly, Dollar Tree has the petroleum jelly from Yardley, London, naturally inspired. Now, this is shea butter rich moisturizing. It says $1.25 at the Tree. Honey, when I tell you it is all the finds for me at the Tree, I mean it is all the finds at the Tree. Check these items out. Oh, Dollar Tree, you know what? It's the movie Groovy for me. Dollar Tree has these orchid acne patches. You get 24 for $1.25. They have this one. Now, when I tell you they acne patches is a still deal like Holyfield, honey, $1.25, 24, non-medicated. Absolutely love this. They also have this newbie, and girl, honey, I used to rock them doobies. Absolutely fantastic. Honey, get into the colors. Now, Dollar Tree also has this new Korean skincare mask. This is anti-aging and lifting, helps hydrate and soothe skin. This is vegan. This is not tested on animals. Honey, I am here for it. 27-gram sheet mask for all skin types. Looky to the darn cookie. Honey, did you happen to see the newbies at the Dollar Tree? And I used to rock that term doobie. Look, Dollar Tree has this. Check this out. So, honey, it is the LA Color compactors for me. They have the Tropical Reef. They also have the Sirens Core. Now, in these compactors, you get 4 different colors. These are $1.25. Mermaid Vibes. They also have the gorgeous lip liners that comes in 3 different shades. Now, they definitely have the blush like the Coral Flush, the Sunkissed Pink. They also have the Magical Mauve. Okay, honey, you gotta put it in and do it. Now, they also have these gorgeous moisturizer lip glosses, Make Waves. Honey, it is the packaging for me. 1, 2, 3. Mermaid Kisses. And then they also have Ocean Mist. I didn't know Dollar Tree was doing it like this. Honey, so Dollar Tree has the Caress Shea Butter and Brown Sugar for gorgeous radiant skin exfoliating. Oh my, looky to the cookie. Honey, it is the new finds for me at the Tree. Now, saffron and cashmere, velvet and bloom, honey, shower gels, $1.25. Movie to the darn groovy. Now, they also have this one as well, bergamot and amberwood. This is $1.25. Looky to the darn cook. You know what I love? I love the new finds at the Tree. Like this. Oh, 1, 2, 3. So Dollar Tree has these movie to the darn groovy phone stands. Honey, these are $1.50. Now, they have the black one and then they also have the white one. These, you can adjust the height on them. Oh my. Oh, honey, it is the Halloween theme for me at the tree. For theme. Dollar Tree has these mugs over here. Honey, when I tell you they heavy, good quality. Love this. Comes in 2 different colors. Don't miss. White and orange. They also have these 4 glasses with the leaves and the trees and the bees. Honey, love that. Now, Dollar Tree also have these mason jars over here as well that says thankful. Love this. You can put things in here like sugar, flour, baking powder, honey, whatever your heart calls. Honey, you just gotta move it and do it. Now, Dollar Tree also have these jars over here. These are so gorgeous. Love this. Honey, I'm so excited. I heard you was looking for a sweet treat to have you move your feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. Now, Dollar Tree has the Paler's name brand candy. This is $1.25. This is the watermelon one. Oh, yeah. Love that. If you was looking for some other sweet treats that's gonna have you move your feet to the beat, they have the Jolly Rancher, the Rancher hard candy, Tropical. This is the fruit punch and golden pineapple. Oh yes. Now if you are looking for a treat, this is new at the tree. Now this is, honey, check this item out. Honey, this is the seasoned butter braids pretzels at the tree, a newbie. And I used to rock that darn doobie. Now, you watching your cholesterol, you want to eat healthier, you looking for a snack, honey, that's not going to give you the big bag, check this out. So Dollar Tree has these natural gourmet mixed nuts, new at Dollar Tree, $1.25, good for you and me. Now, Dollar Tree also have this Gilliam, these old-fashioned lemon sanded drops. Now, they come in 2 different flavors, lemon and then also watermelon. And if you guys like honey mustard pretzels, they have this new brand called Kindlin. Think that's how you pronounce it, $1.25. They also have the garlic parmesan and also the dill pickles. All right, family, let us know in the comment section what was your favorite find that you seen advertising this video. What was something that you was like, oh my goodness, I definitely got to give it a go like Joe? Mine definitely was the makeup remover that's in a glass blue bottle. That looked at movie to the groovy. Also, the under eye pads, that's $1.25. I did get the rose ones, and I also got the makeup remover. And also, the deep puffer under eye serum. That looked at, honey, that looked at movie to the groovy. And then I also got a few snacks, you know, for me and my children to try out. Love it. Now make sure you guys rocking out, believing in yourself, keep on going, keep on growing, flowing, and jumping. Hey, now with that being said, I love you guys. I see you guys on the next one. Hey.